Welcome to Geminiano Cozzi Venezia 1765 showroom. I'm Valentina, in charge of business development for this Venetian brand, and I will guide you through the discovery of our most significant collections. The tradition collections of Geminiano Cozzi present faithful reproduction of shapes and original handcrafted decorations that have been a part of the history of the Venetian manufacture. The historical archive of Manifattura Cozzi offers an incredible range of creative opportunities, timeless even today. Our products are developed in fine bone china, the top-of-the-range porcelain, elegant, translucent, chip-resistant and lightweight. Crafted in circa 1770, the pattern a Striche Verdi e Oro by Geminiano Cozzi is a simple, almost abstract, radial green striped decoration highlighted by a thin brush stroke in gold, typical of handcrafting. This original decoration is defined in different colors: green and gold, the classic, orange and gold, black and gold. Developed on our wide-shaped Milano and with a full range of items created for the luxury hotels and restaurant sector, this collection has smooth lines and an extra resistant edges. This is perfectly suitable also for home use and is also available in refined gift packaging. Another virtue is the attention to detail, both in decoration and shapes. Cups are designed along with their lids to be flexible. The sugar bowl can be served on its saucer for the best ease of use, is also suitable for the cappuccino and teacup. Flat plates are available in different sizes, from 17 cm to 22, from 28 cm to 31 and 33. The deep soup plate is 22 cm, complemented with a 26 cm pasta bowl. In addition, as you can see, various sizes are available for oval plates. For those who love personalization and exclusivity, we can develop this glamorous decoration in 12 different colors, which you can choose from, that will make your tableware unique, elegant and distinguished. On our website, you can find all the useful information you will need to be enchanted by the prestige and history of this design, together with the possibility of creating your own and unique, personal and exclusive collection.